Hey dolls, so this video is a bit different from my other home decor videos because I'm actually just vlogging and looking for stuff for a DIY. About to be pulled over by the police. Wait, here you go. They're coming after me, mummy. They're after me. Can you see them? They're like coming right for me. I'm joking, but yeah, I'm looking. Oh, something going in my eye. I'm looking for stuff for my office, the little green wall, right? So they really are after me. Can you see? So I'm looking for stuff for my green wall, for my grass wall, my ivy wall, and I'm trying to put together. You're just gonna come with me. So grab your coffee, grab your tea. You're gonna see me look for stuff to how to make that ivy wall. Hey, British subscribers, Home Decor is just like it's a very big store. Home Decor, I said Home Depot is a very big store, all about houseware and hardware and all that kind of stuff. I always say it's a manly store. It's so big. Look how big it is. So it's basically like Homebase in the UK, kind of like IKEA, kind of like Homebase. You get my drift, and all for my international subscribers, I'm pretty sure you'll figure this out when I go around. It's all about home and, you know, making stuff for the home. Look how big this is. I don't even want to try and, you know, mess around with it. But so basically I'm looking for stuff for my ivy wall. They have walls, and I'm thinking, let's go to the wall aisle. I'm thinking of you know, DIYing it myself. Take the challenge, you know, do it myself instead of buying one online. Like, I really think there's a joy in making things yourself, so I'm really thinking of doing it myself. So see, look, they have toilets. Let me ask them something. Excuse me, do you know where the aisle is for making, like, that has like for making boxwood?
Boxwood?
Yeah, like a green, like the grass kind of, like it's grass, like a grass wall. I'm trying to make a grass wall, like an ivy wall.
Green?
Yeah.
It's gonna be there on carpet.
Carpet? Okay,
yeah,
thank you so much.
Right.
Thank you so much. Okay, so let's go. He was a bit confused what I was talking about. Aisle 9, so look, here's electrical. Fine, thank you, and you? Mm-hmm. Yeah, we're good. So we're looking for aisle 9. And I'm probably gonna have to paint. So let me go and take some colours, because I might actually paint the office pink. Might. Painting is a bit extreme, but it depends the place I rent. If it's ugly paint, we're gonna have to do that. So let's look for paint. So here's a few paint cards, and so here we go. Just gonna look at it. You guys, I'm gonna let you get you involved. What color? Because my logo is like this. My brand is like a dark pink and a light pink and black. So which color should I choose? I think this one here. So here's some paint cards. You can hold this, mommy. They're helping me paint. Choose paint. And then we have this nice, I like this one here. That one. So we might do this. So comment below which one you think I should do. I'm going to show you at the very end probably again, so you can comment on the right one. So I'm going to meet you in the aisle because there's going to be a lot of video anyway. They even have floors as well. Look, they even have floors. No, this is walls. Look, like cobble, and oh, look at this. Look at that, you guys. They have walls too. This makes me want to build my home. Let's go and find the grass aisle on aisle 9, he said. Let's go. I'm saying, so aisle 9 is flooring. I'm not really looking for flooring, I'm looking for walls. So I'm going to film this. I'm going to film my search off camera. Oh, look, no, he's right. There's the grass. Look. Oh, look at that. I probably need like a good 2-3 yards of this. There it is, mommy, look. But I want it to be more ivy. This could be for the floor. Oh, because I'm going to have the wall, and then the floor will probably be grass as well. That could be for the floor. How much is it? Yeah, this one's 2 something. Because for the wall, let me get the price. Oh, he's... How much is... Oh, okay.
Sorry, I'll call somebody.
I just wanted to find the price.
You know how much this is?
This one's just a rough fig. Like, if this one's 2 something, do you know how much this one?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Okay. Okay. Oh, we could.
Up there.
Oh, I see it. It's free. Ivy green is $3.89.
That's it.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So we could do that. There it goes. There it is, you guys. Look, $3.89, and it is. We're gonna do that. It's 6 inches. I don't know what size that I just saw, but we're gonna do that. So just at least we know. You know, I'm gonna refer back to this video when I'm coming to actually purchase it. But basically, I'm gonna have the ivy wall, and the floor is gonna be like that. Instead of just being on the office floor, it's gonna be like that on the floor. Yeah, you'll see when I come with this. Let's go and look for the walls. Game changer. Found some turf. I don't really like this one though. It looks like carpet. It doesn't really look like actual grass, but found some turf, and it's 6.8. It's $18. No wonder it doesn't have that quality I'm looking for. This is how it's supposed to look like outside. I mean, it might work. It might work. It might be cheaper. I mean, but at least, I mean, it's not. It doesn't look like really grass, real grass, obviously. Nah, mommy, look, here's some fake turf looking, you know, it's $18, so it's cheaper. I don't know. Comment below, you guys. Should I do this for the backdrop for where I'm going to have the floor of the photo area of my office, or should I have that other grass I just showed you? Comment down below. I mean, this is cheaper. This is how it looks like. Yeah, we'll see. Actual wall, they tell me they have sheetrock. So I'm learning new things each time. So I mean, they have, like, this is a door actually. No, we don't need a door. I just got an idea. But no. So what I was thinking was getting a door, but they're very expensive. I mean, this one's not, but getting a door, I mean, this is like 47. Getting a door, spray painting it gold in the middle of where it'll say LB, and having like as if you're entering a room but it's a fake door in the wall. I mean, it's something I have to draw out for you to see what I'm talking about, but it just gave me an idea. This is not a bad price. It's just big. That's going to be a lot of movement. But I mean, if you want to go all out for an amazing office and showroom, because it's not just an office, it's a showroom of my like brand. So we have to go, you know. All right, so this is the sheetrock aisle. I hear so much about sheetrock from when they fix, you know, little things like this. Someone can spray paint them and add texture to something. Random stuff, I don't know. But I mean, if you're artistic, you know how to make weird things work, and it just looks amazing. I know this is some air ventilation thing. We don't need that, hopefully. Okay, she said it's all down this aisle. So look at these pillars for like, oh, this is for like a staircase. We don't need that. That's for someone's house. Oh, here, look. So here is the sheetrock. Look. So here it is, you guys. So this might be part of what I'm using for the wall. Look. So I'll probably need like 2 or 3 of these. Oh, it's heavy. I don't even want to imagine. It's heavy even me doing this. Look. It's heavy me even. It's heavy. So look, and it starts at 9 something drywall. There's so much, I don't even know. I feel like this is something a man would know, not me. But this is it, I guess. Then there's some down there as well. Oh, there's some more over here. This one seems to be cheap though, it looks bendy. So this is the kind of thing that I would put the grass on. But I've heard foam works good. Let's go and look at foam, because this is going to be hard to get the grass to stick on there. There's foam. You can get a foam wall. Yeah. That way, you know. Look, there's more sheetrock, drywall. I mean, this will be more longer lasting than foam, but it'll be longer lasting than foam. Yeah, let me ask them. I'm looking for the foam wall, and she told me that they have pink ones. It's like she knew what I wanted. I wish I got that on camera so you guys can hear. It's like people. Oh my god! For photo shoot purposes, look at this. No, but just for photo shoot purposes. Get them cut down. Ooh, like my gym wear line. You guys. Ooh, for photo shoot purposes. we can create a wall in my office just to take pictures on. Street look. Yes, Home Depot is really interesting. Okay, so let's go to the foam wall because I heard the foam wall is like $20. I've seen someone do a DIY flower wall on YouTube with that, and look at this for photo shoot purposes. Oh, so tired already. She said straight down to the end, and she said they have pink ones. Oh look, see, for photo shoot purposes. You know, create an indoor, yeah, this is going to be the future for my office. And how much is this? You know, I find stuff like this on the street and do a picture. No, 98 cents. I don't know how much this is.
Yeah, that one is 88, I think so.
Oh, it's expensive. But I mean, it's fun once you put it together. Look at this, you guys, for photo shoot purposes. Look at this. And it's 82. So we can do more stuff in my office instead of going outdoors. Oh, I love what I'm seeing. Look at even this. Street. Oh, getting ideas. Street stuff. Look at that. Okay, she said they have pink ones. This is the foam area. Where is the pink? I'm seeing pink. I'm seeing pink. I'm seeing pink. Where is the pink? It's getting close. Where is the pink? She knows what I like. Oh look, ventilation. Ventilation. So there's some doors. There's the open out doors. Where it is? Oh, the wall. There it is. Foam. No, this is insulator. You guys, I'm lost. I'm lost. There it is. I think this is it. No, is it? Here it is. Look. Here it is. It's $36. So we can do our own wall. Here's one for 12 something. I'm gonna pull it out. You know what? I'm gonna pull it out and get my mom to hold it. Be careful. It's so high, you guys. Wow. Let's see how many we would need. I'm gonna get you to stand there, mommy. Because I'm trying to think, maybe we need, yeah, maybe we'd need, sorry guys. So stand in the middle, because I'm gonna think of how my models will stand in heels. Probably this will be good, but I'm waiting. When, you know what, I'm going to have to get my LB London mirrored sign made first to know how big, because we may need to have two. You're just looking at me like, what? This size is good, but I feel like that mirrored thing could be big. I'm going to have to wait for that to come in. When that comes in, I'm going to now know if we'll need two of these. But I hope not, because I feel this one size is good. No, but then remember my models are going to stand on it too, so we probably know. I mean, I don't know. One size will be good. I feel two will be too big. So we have the wall, and this wall will be covered in grass. I think one size is good. The background, no, this is the background. So all of this will be covered in green. I might have to paint this in green and put green grass on it, fill it with green grass. And then what I'm gonna do, you guys are watching, I'm telling you my secrets. I'm gonna like start down here, fill this with grass, like flowers all the way to there, down here. Oops. Fill this with flowers in the corner up to there, and then fill it like all the way down here. And then in the middle, I'm gonna have my logo saying LB London in mirrors. And then the models stand in there and take pictures when they come, selfies when they come to my office. But it's gonna be filled in grass. But then you know why I was looking for the carpet? Because the grass will come all the way down. So when they stand there and they're wearing a nice dress, you can see, it wouldn't be like the bare floor, you would have grass. You see what I'm trying to say? Yes! Success! So I don't know whether to just, because this is it, this is what I need. Instead of getting those big thick walls, this will just be, the only thing is we need something to stabilize it to the, what is this? This is another type of wall. But this is a nice wall. The reason why I wanted that other wall, because it's stable, it's like a real wall, the sheetrock. But then once I add all that grass, this is going to be heavier. And I don't know how, but we're going to have to find a way to stabilize that. We will find a way. And you know those two pillars, the two pillars I want to buy and spray paint? One's going to be on this side, one's going to be on that side. You guys are getting imagination, right? So that's gonna be part of my office. I know it doesn't make sense now, but I'm gonna probably do DIY videos of me building things. That's gonna be this year, a lot of DIY. So you're gonna see me build this wall. I think that might be the first thing I do, is this wall, so they can get an idea of what's gonna happen. So you dolls, thank you so much for watching this video, because this is like the biggest secret I haven't showed already. There's going to be more as time goes on, but comment below, do you want to see me do the big DIY and reveal of this wall? Because I'm going to probably do that before my birthday, because it's so fun. It's so fun talking about it, because I can see the vision, but some of you might not see it. Like my mum's just completely clueless. So comment below, do you want to see the DIY as soon as possible? Let me know in the comment section. Also comment below if you know what I just explained. And I'll see you in the next video, and tell me if you enjoy these shop with me's where I go to pick up stuff at the office. Okay, I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye. Also, if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Give this video lots of thumbs up and tell me what you loved about it. This for a photo shoot. Little things like this. Look. Look at that. I'm getting ideas. Look at that for a photo shoot. And they even have this too. Look, in the rose gold. Don't want to cut my fingers. Oh look, chains. Chains. Oh, look at these big chains here in gold. Ideas. I'm getting so many ideas. Seriously. And they have the rope that I was trying to find in Hobby Lobby. No, what is that store called? I feel the rope is cheaper here. I feel we get more. Rope is cheaper here, mummy, than the other store. So we'll probably get it from here. Yeah, like, it's cheaper. I feel like it was more expensive for very small pieces of rope. So we'll come here, because I bought rope here. We remember I had a photo shoot one time where the models were pulling rope, tug of war. Yeah, so rope is cheaper in this store. Yeah, so we'll come here. Let's go and look for that grass wall. You guys, if you don't see the rest of this, I probably cut off. I probably didn't find the wall, but if we do, well, let's go and find the grass for the wall. Let's see, ivy. The ivy grass for the wall that I was looking for, but I remembered that I have to show you, Archie dolls, which one do you think I should pick for the walls? So I'm looking at Scarlet Pink, Gumball, so look at that, and then, what is this? High Maintenance. Oh, that sounds like me. So which one out of this one? So this is number 1. Number 2 is, we have Piggy Bank, Pink Innocence, and Little Princess. And then the third one is, I don't know what these are. So we have Raspberry Pink, Valentine Pink, and Rose. I don't like that rose, so don't even think about this bottom one here. I don't like it. I'm leaning more towards Little Princess or High Maintenance. So comment below, out of Little Princess and High Maintenance, which one do you think would look really good as a pink wall? And let me know in the comment section. I was going to say let me know in the Gumball section. So yeah, have a nice day, and thank you so much again for watching this video. I'm trying to focus it in so you can see Little Princess or High Maintenance. Thank you dolls, bye.